You do it now. Where's Luke? Where are you, Luke? Take a bit. What did you do? I'm gonna eat this hand, right? I'm gonna eat that hand. I gotta get this hand. I get this hand. I gotta get this one. It's just too funny. It's just too funny. All right, watch this one. Okay. Where's Luke? Where is he? I know everybody likes that game. Let's do it here. You sit here. Oh. He likes that. That's just too funny. That's just too funny. All right, where's your grandpa? Where's grandpa? Where's grandpa? Oh, where's grandpa? Oh, you gotta put your head down so we can take it down. Where's grandpa? Hold on. Where's grandpa? You've got to say that. Say
where's grandpa? Where is grandpa? Where's that? Where's old grandpa?
It's a pull that grandpa.
Where's grandpa?
Hold on.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh. Now say peekaboo.
Oh, peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Okay. Now we do this.
Oh, you like that. Peekaboo.
Where's Luke? Where is he? Peekaboo. Oh. I get this finger. This one's chocolate. This one's strawberry. This one is pineapple. And we do. And this one is vanilla bean. I just love that. I told all my friends. I had to tell only my friends that had grandkids. I said, you should have laughed. I go, well. That is too funny. That is too funny. Oh. Okay, now let's do patty cake. Ready? Patty cake. Very good, man. I'm going to eat the cake as fast as I can. And then you eat it